In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Google Sheets in desktop mode on your mobile device. So there are a lot of limitations with our Sheets app. And a workaround this that I found would be to open Google Sheets in the Chrome on desktop mode. So how do we do this? First, you're going to open your Chrome app right here. Just tap on it. And here on the search or address bar, we're just going to type in sheets.new. Tap on go. And here we have it. So right now it says edit with the Sheets app, which we're going to say no thanks to. And to go to your desktop mode, you're going to tap on the ellipsis at the top right corner and select desktop site right here. If we tap on that, there we have it. We've successfully opened Google Sheets in desktop mode using our Android phone. Now the thing with Google Sheets when it's open in desktop mode on your mobile is that it can be a bit laggy. So it does require a lot of patience when you're trying to edit your spreadsheet with this one. Now let's try and do that with an iPhone. So when you're on your iPhone, just tap on the Chrome app right here. There we have it. Again, on the search or the address bar, just type in sheets.new. Tap on go. And here we have it. Again, we're not still in desktop mode. So if we go to the bottom right corner where we have our ellipsis, tap on it, swipe up, and you will see request desktop site right here. If you tap on that, it will now reload to that desktop mode where you can now do more with your spreadsheet using your iPhone or iOS device. And that's how you can open your Google Sheets in desktop mode on your Android phone or iOS device. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.